Hi guys, how you are doing? So today I'm going to create a very easy project using create clone of myself a block from control. Okay, this one. So before moving to the session, I want to tell you what is clone. So what is clone? Actually, cloning means creating copy. Okay, in very simple, we can tell cloning means creating copy. So cloning is a feature that allows a sprite to create a copy of itself while the project is running. Okay, and each clone has the same costumes, sounds, scripts, and variables as the original, but sometimes it is independent. That means we can code for the clone separately. Okay, so and it is different from duplicate. So if I right click duplicate, you can see I got it a lot of copies of the same cat, right? But it is different. Cloning is different from duplicate. So see here, the duplicates are permanent and appear in the sprite pane, right? You can see this over here in the sprite pane, whereas clones do not appear in the sprite pane. That means clone do not appear over here when it is creating copy, and it will disappear when the stop sign is pressed. If you click on the red button, it will just stop. And the maximum number of clone that can be created at a time is 300. Alright, so without wasting time, let's move on to the session. I'm deleting the cat. Now I need a background. I'm going to create the project. Click and plant. Okay, so wherever I click, I need to plant a tree over there. Okay, I'm going to add this. Okay, this background. Then I need a tree sprite. Yeah, I like this tree one. I don't like that second tree personally. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size of the tree. I put 50. Yeah, now your tree becomes smaller, right? All right, that's cool. Next what? Next, I want to create clone, isn't it? So how to create clone? When green flag is click, initially I need to set the position over there. Okay, when I click on green flag, I need the tree to be here. So how to put that? You want to go to XY block, the address. Okay. So wherever you put the tree, it will come back to that position. Okay. Over there. Never mind. No matter where I put it. I'm putting in the sky. So when I click on green flag, it will come to the starting position. That is the use of go to XY block. Okay. So now I want to create clone. So I'm simply creating a clone. Okay. When green flag is click, I told you it will create a copy, right? So I need a copy of 50. Okay. Then which block I need to make use of? Yeah. If you want a clone, you need create clone of myself. Okay. So let's see. So it will create a 50 copy. If I click on green flag, it will create for you. Here we go. Yeah, actually it is creating over here. You can see in count, if I count this, it will be 51 including the original sprite. The sprite is already one sprite, the original sprite is already there, right? So it in total 51 it will create. Okay, but I want to go to random position, so you can see it is putting go to random position. Okay, so when green flag is click, you can see I got a lot of tree, right? But the issue is you can see the tree is over in the sky also. The tree is growing in the sky, isn't it? So I don't need that. What I need is, okay, when I click on the backdrop, when I click on any point in the background, okay, I need to grow a tree over there. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to the backdrop. In that, I take the block when stage clicked. Okay. Then what I'm going to put is I want to broadcast a message. When I click on the stage, I want to broadcast a message called plant a tree. So I broadcasted a message called plant a tree. Now coming back to the tree sprite. There I'm going to put, okay, initially I need the tree to be there. The original tree will stand over there. But when I receive plant a tree, I want to create clone, isn't it? So I'm putting create clone of myself. Then it want to follow my mouse pointer. Even I click on the stage, it will create clone, but it will be there only. But what I need is, I want to go, this tree want to follow my mouse pointer. So going to the motion block, taking, go to mouse pointer. Then you want to put delete this clone. So yeah, we are done with that actually. Let's see the output. Okay, I'm clicking on green flag, so I can plant a tree. Wherever I click, I can plant a tree. Okay, once again. So I'm planting a tree over there. I'm creating a dense forest. Yeah, ooh, that's cool, right? I like very much. I personally like this create clone of myself block a lot. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, as well as please kindly subscribe my channel and help me to reach the first 100 subscribers. Thank you for listening and see you in the next video. Bye bye.